Willemstad is the capital city of Curacao, a Dutch Caribbean island. The floating Queen Emma Bridge connects the Punda and Otrobanda neighborhoods across Sint Anna Bay. Punda was established in 1634, when the Dutch captured the island from Spain. The city center, with its unique architecture and harbor entry, has been designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Koning and Julianabrug is a 4-lane road bridge across Sint Anna Bay. The bridge is named after Juliana of the Netherlands. The current bridge opened on Queen's Day, the 30th of April 1974, reaching a height of 56 meters (185 feet) above the water at its apex, to accommodate ships entering the narrow harbor. On right side, famous floating market, where Curaçaoans have been purchasing their produce for 100 years. Fleet of small, wooden ships is stationed, each carrying a load of fruits and vegetables from nearby Venezuela. The big round building is New Market. You will find lots of souvenirs and an assortment of other goods from local vendors. It's an authentic Curaçao experience. Open Bar Ministry is the public prosecution service of Curaçao. The 14th floor's Plaza Hotel is Curaçao's most recognized hotel, built atop the historic Waterford Fort, a 1700 stronghold. From neighborhood Punda drone cross Sint Anna Bay, and we are in Otrobanda, Renaissance Mall and Riff. like show how work pontoon bridge. In small white shelter, operator controls two diesel engines turning propellers. The propellers are mounted perpendicular to the length of the bridge and allow it to swing parallel to the shore. The process only takes a few minutes to complete.